In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can add camouflage here in War Thunder. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But start off in your hangar right here and go ahead and select whatever vehicle it is that you want. We're just going to stick with the M2A4 right now. But as you can see, when you just select it, it's going to bring up a page that looks something like this. Go ahead and select customization, and then it's going to redirect you to a new page that looks something like this. All you need to do is look over on this right hand sidebar and you'll see a camouflage section on here. Go ahead and of course select that, and you're going to see all the camo options available for that specific vehicle. Now you can preview them or you can purchase any ones that you have currently unlocked. But as soon as you go ahead and select one, it's going to automatically be applied. For example, we can do something a little bit different like this winter one. And as you can see, that one actually looks pretty cool. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to literally every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.